So here we have the BMW 118i on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside its boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They're 61,577. You can change information displayed above that using buttons on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and if you wish, this digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have a speed limiter, we have our phone and stereo controls. Over into the center, the main screen for the stereo itself. So firstly, the movement I'm making up on the screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial. The buttons that surround it will take you into the menus highlighted on them, but otherwise the dial will do everything else. So you can rotate that dial to media and radio, for example, where you can see we've got DAB, FM and AM radio, CD player, Bluetooth audio, USB input. So loads of ways to listen to your music. You can pair up your phone so that you can make and receive phone calls and use that Bluetooth audio. We have satellite navigation, a really nice clear color display. It's a very easy system to use. You can access the panel to the left by jogging the dial that I showed you a moment ago over to that left-hand side. As I say, very easy to use. Lots of other settings, including under vehicle status, you can see the car's current service status. Everything is currently up to date. We have a hazard warning lights button just there. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. Main volume for your stereo, your CD player. Climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed, the temperature, air conditioning's off, on again, and the direction you'd like the air distributed in once it enters the car. Or simply hit auto. The car will now take full control for you to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. Press that button again, you'll go back to your own setting. We have two cup holders, a 12-volt charging socket, and you can close that over. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We can turn off the traction control and change the driving setup of the car. So you're able to put the car into Sport, Sport Plus, Comfort and Eco Pro. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.